On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass. And in the last step, I showed you how to grind your art glass to fit to the size of your pattern. You peel the paper pattern off at this point. Clean the glass, and or wipe it off, basically. You don't really necessarily need to clean it. Okay, and there's your wonderful shape. And then you want to check and make sure it's going to fit in there. Okay, and ta-da! So now that it fits, we don't have to grind anymore. You can see that all my numbers came off the pattern pieces to make sure that they go back where they're supposed to. So don't ever forget, keep your pieces numbered, because if they get all mixed up, it doesn't really quite go back in any which way. Okay? The next step, I'm going to show you how to put the copper foil tape onto the pattern piece and go to the next step from there. So check it out.